2,000 years later.
After a long journey, the next day I kicked off a 10-day training program. My focus has been on guiding the students through their transition from campus life to the corporate world. We have covered a range of essential topics, like, starting with the importance of a professional dress code, what's appropriate for both boys and girls. Additionally, I have delved into body language, training them how to present themselves confidently and effectively in a professional setting. It's been incredible rewarding to see them engage with these concepts and start to understand how they can impact their careers. Along with covering dress codes and body language, I have also focused on practical skills like group discussion. I helped the kids form groups and guided them on how to conduct effective GD. We discussed strategies for engaging in discussions, including how to use visual aids and other tools to support their points. It's been great to see them learn how to collaborate, share ideas, and present their thoughts clearly in a group settings. This hands on approach is really helping them prepare for real world corporate environment.
2,000 years later.
Good afternoon, everyone. Team leader, how we are progress? I guess everyone came to the meeting. But yeah, first meeting they were not meeting. Already I will the 5 minutes late. Correct. Our CEO has given a new project to us and we need confidence as possible. So all feedback and they arrange everything to us. Okay, sir. I will tell them to arrive and everything to us.
During our training, I focused on teaching etiquette and set up role plays to practice meeting etiquette. The participants engaged in various role playing scenarios which helped them understand the nuances of professional behavior in meetings.
Oh my God, that is deep. I don't know. Do you know that? I don't know. Do you know where is she? Do you know where is she? No, idiot. I'm asking you the question, but you repeated to it. Please, call her. fine. Sorry for the late interruption. Can't make it. We are waiting for you. Let's go.
It was truly rewarding to see their involvement and how they applied the concepts we discussed. Some participants faced difficulties and were not able to fully grasp everything. However, even with these challenges, they showed a great deal of effort and willingness to try. It's been inspiring to see them push through and continue to improve their skills. The progress they have made over the course of the training has been significant, and I'm proud of their dedication and hard work.
Me and my teammates going to perform a role play on art craft. Our company's name is Unclouding Creativity, which is a motto of turning visions into reality. It's based on the human's perceptions. First of all, in yourselves and fulfill your dreams. Challenge the negative thoughts and life's problems and the problems and failures. Everyone to it, when failure comes, everyone thinks we have failed. It's not.
One of the challenges they faced was creating effective PowerPoint presentations. Initially, they struggled with the design and content, but with some guidance, they managed to put together their own slides. When it came time to present, their effects really paid off. The presentations turned out beautifully, showcasing their hard work and creativity. It was fantastic to see their progress and the high quality of their final presentations. It moments like that makes the training truly worthwhile.
My study. Let's see about our company. LiveBridge is an online counseling app. It indicates that from a
Our teammates are going to present PPT about the city task. Here are our teammates: Harish, Santosh, Hariharan, Ashwin, and me.
everyone, welcome to KK Shop. KK means Kingdom.
Here are few charts created by the students. They put a lot of effort into designing these various visuals, and it's impressive to see their creativity and attention to their detail. These charts really enhance their presentations and provided clear, engaging insights into their topics. It's a great example of how they have applied what they have learned during the training. On the last day, we took some memorable photos with everyone. It's amazing how quickly the 10 days of training flew by. It felt like just a moment. Looking back at all the pictures and reflecting on our time together, it's clear how much we have achieved and enjoyed during this period. I'm grateful for the opportunity to work with such dedicated individuals and share these experiences. And as we wrap up this training journey, I want to thank everyone for their hard working and enthusiasm. It's been an incredible 10 days filled with learning, growth, and memorable moments. I'm proud of all the progress we have made and the skills we have developed together. Stay tuned for more adventure and updates on my channel. Thanks for joining me on this journey. As I always say, don't forget to love, care, share, and help people. And please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next vlog.